The state's highest court has spoken. With a unanimous decision, Supreme Court justices have made New Mexico the nation's 17th state to recognize same-sex marriage.
That issue, of course, sparked passion on both sides in a long legal battle, and today many gay couples are celebrating. Gabrielle Burkhart is live at Morningside Park in Albuquerque, where a celebration is planned tonight. Gabby?
Dean, Jessica, this is where dozens of couples are expected to rally here in about a half an hour in celebration of this historic day in New Mexico. But while many people are celebrating, others say their battle isn't over. Same-sex couples around the state are celebrating the Supreme Court's unanimous decision today, declaring the state's constitution grants same-sex couples the right to marry.
It means 37 years, we're finally legal.
Christine Hayward and Sarah Adams are one of several same-sex couples today who consider their long legal battle finally won. The battle picked up steam earlier this year when a district court judge ruled in favor of a group of same-sex couples suing for the right to marry under state law. Bernalillo and Santa Fe counties were ordered to start issuing marriage licenses to gay couples, and that's when all 33 county clerks asked the state Supreme Court to take up the case. Today's decision has been a long time coming for State Rep Brian Egolf, who represented a same-sex couple.
It's very clear, though, that the tide of history is on our side and that marriage equality is spreading across the country quicker than anyone imagined.
But not everyone is celebrating today.
It was a sad moment for me. It was a very sad moment.
State Representative Nora Espinoza says she's always fought for her belief that marriage is between a man and a woman.
It's a shame that every time we introduced a bill, it couldn't get out of committee and allow the citizens of the state of New Mexico to vote what they wanted.
But same-sex marriage supporters say today's ruling is here to stay.
To try and pass a constitutional amendment to strip rights away from loving married couples, I think would really strike the people of the state of New Mexico as wrong and honestly as offensive.
Now, Representative Nora Espinoza says she'll seek counsel on how to move forward from here, but late today, Republican State Senator Bill Scherer announced he'll introduce a constitutional amendment to define marriage as a union between a man and a woman, and he expects to pre-file that bill tomorrow. Back to you.
Okay, Gabby. Governor Susana Martinez says she wants New Mexicans to make the final decision on gay marriage. In a statement today, she said, quote, "I'm confident that most New Mexicans believe, like I do, that it should have been settled by a vote of the people. Instead, the Supreme Court stepped in and rendered their decision." The governor went on to say that while her personal views are well known, she opposes gay marriage. She asked New Mexicans continue to respect each other's views on the controversial topic.
Attorney General Gary King says the Supreme Court decision supports the argument he's been making all along.
Now in every county in New Mexico, clerks will be required to issue marriage licenses to same-sex couples, and certainly it's been our position that if you're validly married in New Mexico under those provisions, that your marriage has the same legal effect as marriage between a heterosexual couple.
The New Mexico Conference of Catholic Bishops also weighed in today. In a statement, they said the Catholic Church respects and loves the gay and lesbian members of our community. We will continue to promote Catholic teaching of the biblical definition of marriage to be that of one man and one woman.